Hey everyone, welcome to PC Tricks Guru YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll show you that how can you create songs or you can create podcasts using any singers or any person's vocals. And it is very simple now that we have AI available in the market, so we can do it easily without paying anything. So without any further delays, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Google Collaboratory, and I'll be sharing the link with you in the video description. So this is the URL. I'll just copy it, and after copying it I'll open my web browser and then we'll paste the URL. To be able to use it, you'll have to sign in using your Google account. So once this screen appears, what you need to do is just click on this play icon over here. So just click on this, it will start running the shell, and in a few minutes you should be able to see that the process has been completed, and it will give you a private and a public URL to access the tool. So just be patient here and wait for the process to be completed. As you can see that the process has initiated, and it's doing its thing, so just wait for it. Okay, so as you can see that the process has been completed, and you have two URLs. The first one is the local URL and the second one is the public URL. So we will use the public URL. I'll just click on it, and after clicking on the public URL, it will open another page that will help us to train the AI vocals using any other person's vocals, and then we will be able to create our own voice samples. So right now this is the interface that you have. So the first thing that we need to do is to train the AI to understand the vocals of a person, and in this video I will just show you a small demonstration, and I'll use a screenshot as well, because the whole process, it takes around 2 to 3 hours. So it's a very lengthy process, and I do not want you to keep waiting for the next 2 and 3 hours just for this process. So I'll show you what needs to be done. So once you see this interface, you have to click on train over here. After clicking on train, you have to type the name my new model. So I'll just type over here my new model. Okay, so my new model is the voice name that I'm going to create, and number of CPUs for data processing, leave it as it is. It would be 2, and we do not have to make any changes over here. The path where the data sets are being uploaded, so just leave it as it is here. And now in this place you need to upload the sample vocals from which you want to create another copy of the voice. For my example, I have just downloaded some of the audio files for KK interview, and using his interview vocals I created some of the sample files that need to be uploaded here. So suppose I'll just click on drop file here, and then I'll go to my desktop. On the desktop I have voice samples available, in which I have collected some of the samples from the songs of KK. So this is the first sample. Suppose if this is the sample that I'm going to use, which is 4.10 MB, and this is the second sample, third sample. So you can use as many samples as you want. I'll suggest you to use at least 4 to 5 samples which contain clear vocals, without any music, without any background noise. These clips, these audio clips should be containing clear vocals only. So suppose I selected these 3 clips and click on open. After you click on open, you'll see that the files are being uploaded here. It will just show uploading, and here it is going to take some time, right, while it is being uploaded. So as you can see that the files have been uploaded, and it says that wait until your data is uploaded, and the information says that done, 3 files have been uploaded. Now click process the data set. So the next step, what you need to do is to click on process the data set. Once you click on process the data set, it will start processing the data set, and just to confirm that whether it is processing or not, you have to go here in your command line portal and scroll down. So here you can see that it has started processing. The Python code has been triggered, and you'll see that this will be doing some random things, so you just have to wait until the processing gets completed, right? So we just have to wait while this process is getting completed. Okay, I think it got completed. So here you can see end pre-process. Once you see this line end pre-process, you are ready for the next step. So just go here in the Gradio in the GUI interface, and then you have to do the pitch correction. So for that there are three modes. The first one is harvest. Crepey mode is, I don't know how to pronounce it, it's crepe or crepe, I don't know. So this is the second one, and the third one is Mangio crepe. Okay, so this is the best. I mean, if you select harvest, it is going to take a little longer time, but yes, the results that you'll be getting, they will be more and more better, right? And here in this section, the hop length that has been mentioned here, you do not have to make any changes. Just make it 128 or leave it at 128. No need to make any changes in this. And then you can click on pitch extraction. So once you click pitch extraction, you'll see that it will start its process. Here you can see that now it has started extracting the contents that have been uploaded, and in the harvest mode with 128 hops. So if I go here, you can see that these logs have started processing now, right? So you just have to wait here again until this process gets completed, and it is going to take a few minutes, so you just need to be patient while this process is going on. So while this one is going on, let me proceed further, because I do not want you to just keep waiting over here. So I'll just open the screenshot of the completed process that I took while I was doing the experiment for the KK's vocals. So this is how it looks. So the first one that we did in the training section, we just mentioned the voice name, and make sure that you do not change this name. It should always be my new model, because this repository has been configured in such a way, like if you change the name, it may not work properly. So just make sure that you are using my new model, this as your voice name. Download has been completed. Pitch extraction has also been completed. So once the pitch extraction gets completed, you have to go here, and now you have to make sure that you are using a value 250. The higher the number, the better the quality, right? But again, if you keep this number, if you change this number to a more higher value, then your AI voice model, that will not sound correct, right? So I'll suggest you to leave it at 250, and once it is set at 250, just click on train model. So once you click on train model, it is again going to do some calculation, some processing in the logs, as you can see here, right? So it will just do its thing in the logs, and once the logs get completed, then you'll have to click on the next button, that is train index. So after clicking on train index, you'll see that at this place it will start doing some kind of processing, and once that processing gets completed, you'll see the status again here in the logs that the process got completed. So currently, now if I go here, pitch extraction process has been completed. We do not have anything else here. So if I go here, you can see that all features done. When you see this message, all features done, it means that this pitch correction, pitch extraction part has been completed. Now you can click on train model. So if I click on train model over here, it will start training AI with these voice samples that I have uploaded. Okay, so if I go here, you can see that right file list is done, and now it has started its process. So this process is going to take a long time. Maybe it may take around 2 hours, or maybe 80 minutes or something. But yes, here we just have to be patient and wait until this process gets completed. Once this process gets completed, then you have to come here and click on train index. After clicking on train index, you should be able to see the progress here in the logs. And once the index training gets completed, you'll see that you'll have the option to download model. Once you click on download model, it will give you two files as shown in these screenshots. So if I go here, you can see that two files will be generated with an extension PTH and PTH. So you just have to click on download for both the files, save them in a folder, and create a zip files for both the downloaded files, right? So I already have done it. If I go here, if I minimize the browser, you can see that here I have the file KK vocals. If I open this file, zip file, you'll see that we have two files. The first one is with PTH extension, and the second one will be with index.index extension. So these are the two files that have been added in the zip file. Now the next step would be that you need to open your Google Drive and upload this file. After uploading the file, you have to make sure that you are sharing this file publicly using the share option. So once you right click on the file and once you click on share, make sure that you select anyone with the link. If you select this option, then only the tool will be able to download the vocals file while we'll be using the tool. So suppose we have uploaded the file. I already have uploaded the file, and this is the URL of my file that I have uploaded in the Google Drive. This is the voice model that I have. Now if I go here, okay, suppose this task has been completed, so I'll simply go to download model over here and enter the URL. So this is the URL that I have from my G drive. So I'll just mention the name of the model as KK voice and then click on download. Now we should be able to see a success message once the file gets downloaded. Okay, all right, so you can see here that it is successfully downloaded. Once it is downloaded, we have to go to interface over here. After coming here in interface, click on refresh. So once I clicked on refresh, I'll click on this drop down and you can see that kkvoice.pth extension, this file is available over here. Click on this file and then you have two options. Either if you have any recorded podcasts, or if you have extracted vocals from a song, or if you have any a cappella song available, you can simply upload that over here. Or if you want, you have a website that you can visit, and the website is this one, X-Pro, right? So you can simply search Google with the keyword X-Pro, and this is the website x-pro. Once you open it, it will give you the option to remove vocals. So just click on vocal remover and then upload the file that you want, right? Once you upload the file, for example, suppose let me go to any song that I have. For example, I'll just go to this PC and I think I have kept it over here. Any song, suppose this one, and this one. File is being uploaded and now it's being processed. So what AI will do, this tool will separate the vocals and this tool will separate the music part in two different tracks that could be downloaded later. So I'm just waiting here so that it will process the audio file that I uploaded. Okay, so the process has been completed and you can see that we have two tracks. The first one is for music, which you can see here, instrumental, and the second one is for vocals. If you want to test it, I'll just play it, and I'll not play it for a long time because I do not want any copyright strike on this video, so I'll just play a part of it. Okay, so as you can see that music has been removed, and if you want to play the music, I'll just go here. Okay, so music is being played separately, audio is being played separately. If you click on DL vocals, the vocal part, the audio part will get downloaded, that you can upload here as your test file, right? So instead of using anyone's vocal, what I'll do, let me record something, and I'll just change my voice into KK's voice, and let's see that what are the results. And again, it completely depends, I mean the output that you'll be getting, it completely depends on the quality of sample file that you used to train your AI model, right? So I'm not sure that how is it going to sound, but yes, let's see. So if you are an Indian person, if you have listened to the songs of KK, you may easily recognize his voice. So let's start. So for the recording, you can either use a Windows Recorder or any other tool that you have. So I use Mixcraft. So in Mixcraft, I'll be using the track recording option, and just I'll record a small vocal of mine. So in Mixcraft, I'll arm the track in which I'm going to record my vocals, and then I'll record something, and then we'll test it, that how does it sound. So simply I'll click on arm over here. For the audio input, I can see that microphone, Realtek high definition audio. Okay, this is correct, no issues. So let's try recording something. I will try to record something, maybe any Hindi song. So let me think of the song. Okay, I'll try to record Ajab Si by KK, and let's see how does it sound. I mean, how AI converts it, I'm not sure. Maybe the results may be horrible, but let's give it a try. So I'll just start it. आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, दिल को बना दे जो पतंग, सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं. Okay, the audio has been recorded. Now let me play and let me try to listen. How does it sound? आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, दिल को बना दे जो पतंग, सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं. Okay, fine, it sounds well. From this part, I'll remove the silent part and play it again. अजब सी अदाएं हैं, दिल को बना दे जो पतंग, सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं. Okay. Now let's create an MP3 or a WAV file. I will select MP3. I do not want to make any changes in the project. 320 stereo. Okay, and file name is just test. Save it to the desktop. Okay, the file has been saved. Now let's go and upload it over here. So go to the desktop, click on test and open. Now you can see that it's being uploaded. Once it gets uploaded, you'll see that it's being processed over here. Now choose your audio. It will automatically select test.mp3, the vocal model that we want to use. This is KK voice, and everything looks good to me. Now let's go and click on convert. After clicking convert, AI will start processing, and it should give me the option to play the audio, the converted audio. Okay, we have the audio file ready in the voice of KK. I am not sure how is it going to sound, but yes, let's see. I'll play it now.
आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, दिल को बना दे जो पतंग, सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं.
Okay, it exactly sounds, I mean, 70 to 80% it sounds like KK himself, but let's try with another sample. Let's see that how does it work. So I'll just simply delete the file from here, delete it from here, and let's try to record something else. I do have Mixcraft opened, close it, and this time I'll try to add some effects as well, reverb, a little reverb, and then let's see how does it sound. So what shall I think? So I'll sing a little and then I'll speak something so that we will be able to test that how does it work for both song and podcasts. So let me think of something and then I'll record it. तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में. Hello everyone, you are watching this video on YouTube channel of PC Tricks Guru. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, make sure that you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone. Okay, so I think we are done with the recording. Let me unarm the track and let me listen to the output. How does it sound? तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में. Okay, let me try to add a little reverb and compressor to the audio. So I'll just use Acoustica compressor by which would be default, and reverb. Okay, Acoustica reverb, that is fine. Let me try to play it. तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में. Hello everyone, you are watching this video on. Okay, this result is good. Now let's quickly go ahead and create an mp3 out of it. I'll not reduce the noise because there were not much noises around me, so I'll just go ahead and save it as mp3 kk1, or just I'll name it Voc mp3. Click on save. Okay, all right, we have the file. Now let's go here and upload the file that we recorded, which is VOC. Click on open, and all good, it's uploaded. Now it's processing. And you have an option as well to record your audio directly from your microphone using the browser, but yes, the quality might not be that good, so that is why I used a professional software just for the vocal recording. So we are done with the voice upload, and I'll click on convert over here. So AI will now process my recording. It will convert my audio in KK's audio. Let's see how does it work. It's been done. I'm not sure about the results. Let's see how does it sound. Let's play it.
तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में. Hello everyone, you are watching this video on YouTube channel of PC Tricks Guru. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, make sure that you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone.
Okay, this was really amazing. I mean that the vocals, the song vocals exactly sounded like KK, and I must say that the AI is working really amazing. I'm really amazed with the results. So I'm thinking that I need to release some of my own songs in KK's voice. Okay, all right. So I hope that you liked the video, and if you liked it, just make sure that you subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and keep visiting PC Tricks Guru. And yes, if you want to download the results, you just have to click here and then click on download. You'll be able to download the video, the converted audio, right? So that is it. I do not need it, so I'll just end the video here. Thanks again. Thank you everyone. Bye for now. Keep visiting PC Tricks Guru. Good day.